Hi guys, today we're going to be making some delicious buffalo ranch chicken wraps. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our chicken marinade. In a bowl, we're going to add 3 eggs, a half a cup of buttermilk, 1/4 of a cup of Red Hot. And for our spices, we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. So now we're just going to mix it all together. Make sure everything is well combined. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to be adding 2 pounds of chicken tenders. Okay, just make sure that they get fully coated with the marinade. Okay, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Alright, so after 30 minutes, we can now prepare our dry mixture. So we're going to begin by mixing 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch. For our spices, we're going to be using 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, 4 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Okay, we're going to mix it all together. And right here you can taste it. Just taste a little bit and see if you want to add any more salt or you want to add more cayenne pepper. But for me, this is perfect. So now we can get ready to get our chicken ready. Okay, so once we're ready, we're going to mix our chicken. And now we're going to get ready to dip it into our dry mixture. So grab your chicken tender. Okay, grab your chicken, shake the excess marinade, then dip into the dry mixture. Coat the chicken. Shake the excess. Okay, and just repeat with the rest of the chicken tenders. Okay, so once we coat our chicken one time, we're gonna go back and coat it 1 second time. So from the marinade to the dry mixture. Just make sure that it gets coated. Shake excess and repeat. So once we have our chicken all nice and coated, we're going to allow them to rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can get our oil ready. Okay, I'm going to fill up my pan with some peanut oil. Okay, we're going to set it on medium-low heat and just allow it to heat up. All right, so once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to begin to fry our chicken. And we're going to be frying for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they're nice and golden. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our chicken tenders should be ready and it should be nice and crispy. So we're going to remove them from the oil and repeat the process to the rest of our chicken tenders. Okay, and once we have our chicken, now we can get ready to make our wraps. So I have my chicken. I'm just going to be cutting it into strips. Got my tortilla here. Going to top it with some lettuce. My chicken, some cheese, some Red Hot, and of course some ranch. Now we can just close it and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I love chicken wraps. These used to be my favorite back in the day at McDonald's. If you are as old as I am, then you remember what I'm talking about. But I am so ready. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's so refreshing, and the chicken's so flavorful, and it's still crunchy, so it's good. The best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious buffalo ranch chicken wraps. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.